こんにちは、Asuka 先生です。Let's learn Japanese animal names and songs and sing Old MacDonald together. You can download the bonus PDF, so please check the description section below and then claim your bonus PDF. So let's learn the name of the animal and the sound. The first one is dog. 犬、ワンワン。犬、ワンワン。猫、にゃーにゃー。猫、にゃーにゃー。牛、もーもー。牛、もーもー。馬、ひひーん。馬、ひひーん。羊、めーめー。羊、めーめー。豚、ブーブー。豚、ブーブー。アヒル、ガーガー。アヒル、ガーガー。Are you ready? So let's sing together. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he had a ushi, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo here and a moo there, here moo, there moo, everywhere moo. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he had a ahiru, E-I-E-I-O. With a gaga here and a gaga there, here ga, there ga, everywhere gaga. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he had a inu, E-I-E-I-O. With a one here and a one there, here one, there one, everywhere one. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he had a neko, E-I-E-I-O. With a nya here and a nya there, here nya, there nya, everywhere nya. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Did you sing well? If you'd like, you can download this PDF, so please click the link in the description section. If you love this tutorial, please don't forget to like this video. If you know somebody who might be interested in this video, please share. And if you want to watch this kind of tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell mark. You can get the notification when I upload a new tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you soon. さようなら。またね。